Matangi makiria ya magana meri ni marikitie kuheanwo kaunti-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini riu andu makihinyiririo guthie na mbere na gwithamba moko niguo kung'ethanira na ndamathia ya COVID-19. Matangi maya maheanitwo ni kambuni ya gutambia mai ya Central Rift Valley unyitaniri-ini na Ministry ya mai na utheru guku bururi-ini kuria matanyitwo kuheanwo kaunti-ini inyanya iria ni hamwe na Nyandarua, Laikipia, Nakuru gatagati-ini kaingi.
We serve 8 counties, and one of the counties that we are serving is Nyandarua County. Today we are here to launch a very important exercise towards the curb of the spread of COVID, which is one of the strategies of reducing the spread.
Akiaria hindi ya kuheana matangi 40 maria mari na uhoti wa kuiga lita 1,500 hari itangi kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino Hosea Wedot augite matangi maya megukorwo makiigwo tauni-ini itiganite kuria gukoragwo na uingi wa andu.
During the first wave, or the second wave actually, of distribution of water tanks, we had done some as an emergency a few weeks ago, and today we are doing more, and we will continue doing that, because as you know, in this war of COVID, hygiene is one of the frontline activities that we must do to ensure that we secure and make sure our people are not affected.
Atongoria a kaunti ya Nyandarua maugite ni megukorwo magitigirira matangi maya ni makorwo na mai ma kuigana kuria mathiete na mbere na kuria andu matie mawatho na mitaratara iria igathikitwo ni thirikari ya kung'ethanira na ndamathia ya COVID-19.
We really want to thank the government for this support. We know as County Emergency Response Committee we have made arrangements to ensure that the local population, particularly the vulnerable groups who are based in the colonial villages, get the support.
Wajue vile watatusaidia na hii maji, kwa sababu hii maji ya hii tank itakuwa mingi. Na nimeshukuru sana kwa vile ametufanyia vizuri kwa kukumbuka watu ya Nyandarua.
Oho ni moritie andu a Nyandarua kuhuthira matangi maya na njira ya guthingatithia utheru wa gikiro kia iguru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.